You can't even see anything, really. So there's nothing on the floor, but you can't see the snow. There you go, you can see the window a little bit. No, it's a little much deeper, guys. And there's a gust. You can see the snow. I didn't hear it all. There you go. That's that a little bit. Alright, here we are, 5 o'clock, and we're reporting weather conditions. You still can't see the snow.
To best serve your customers, you have to know personally. Only a local agent can do that.
Doug Pierce was in Tornado Alley. Collects skin.
And that's the cat.
Believe family twins with another eye.
That's meatloaf? That's still meatloaf.
We are insurance.
Playing with the blinds. Alright, 6 o'clock. There's some poor guy out there that has to walk his dog. There they go. And you can tell the wind's picked up. And not even saying the really bad stuff's going to be here for another couple hours. But, so, fun.
Hello?
A mother's love, huh? Ah. Oh.
Man, look at it out there.
Sorry, volume was down on my Scott for some reason.
Now we got it now? Sorry.
This camera is not doing it justice.
How the hell am I getting you? Dale, say something.
Hello?
Say something again. Okay. I think that did it. Hi!
Hi.
As I said, mother's love is never lost, huh? You alright, man?
What?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, who the hell is talking to me now? Sean. Through this goddamn window.
Man, you can just see the stove blowing by. I'm gonna tape it and it probably dies down.
Cryo practice?
There it goes again.
Oh, Sean, you're spelling.
This is why it's not gonna be out there right now.
Cryopractory? Cryopractory. He got banned. Oh, alright.
Heel slapen.
We got Mags. Oh shit, today's the 1st.
Yeah.
No. They're gonna have fucking wait. Let's see what this is. Okay, if anyone is aware of this stupid society, the group consists of the Sexecutioner, the Situation, Snoochie Boochies, and the Ultimate Fighter, Blaney. We have come to a decision. We ride together and we die together. Jesus Christ, you all are English! Shut the fuck up with that shit!
I'm taping right now.
I don't care.
That's what I want up in YouTube. Wow, we can hear the wind now.
We are taking our talents elsewhere.
Ha. Ha.
What?
Just the thought of them taking their talent elsewhere. They're not gonna last 5 fucking minutes on Wrestling Click.
You think that's where they're going?
It's the only place they can fucking go.
Why is that?
Because Wrestling Click brought out every other fucking wrestling forum on the internet.
Really? Actually, I didn't know that.
Every other wrestling forum I've ever been to has been absorbed by Wrestling Click. Except the UOW.
It is highly unfair that Owen has been permanently banned in the shout box and banned from the forum numerous times for joking around with Laney. When the higher-ups know that he gets along with them, Dan, like the rest of the society, are sick of people like John being fake. And also a personal message from us.
Consider myself a spirited Southern kid. 26 years old, sous chef of South City Kitchen, Midtown in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, you gotta love it.
Alright, 9 o'clock, here we go, near weather conditions.
This nation has nobody ever says they want to go up and get some good food. Now inside this place, the food kind of reflects the spice of life. I feel like I have a lot at stake. Meaning you might launch me chips and that. I think it's deceptive for other chefs to underestimate your cool self what you can do in the kitchen.
tag?
Well, the name tag is from your wife.
Hey, Jim.
Fucking Skype. So,
Well, I'm improving slightly,
I mean, take you to a fucking Brazilian steakhouse, let you get some real food, some real salad, a good panzanella.
Brazilian?
Dude, you've never been to a Brazilian steakhouse?
There is a Brazilian steakhouse.
You officially have not lived. You haven't.
Go and find a woman, take her to a Brazilian steakhouse. They bring you meat on a
Sword.
Nice.
And it's all grilled and it's all so fucking good. Fuck, we gotta do that again.
Right. How much is it, though?
Let's see, when I went on my birthday with... How many people did we go to China?
He's a defensive end at South Point High in South Carolina, who may in fact continue a trend of recent and not commit at all today. If he does, where do you think he's headed?
Well, I don't think he will make his decision today. I think he will wait to February.
Still going. 8 o'clock in the morning, it's still going.
Throughout the recruiting process has not been a key hound. He hasn't fast in the limelight. In fact, come on. All right. Sit. How are we going to do this one? It's me. Steven? Well, get him out of here.